why you are ignoring your mind, why you are ignoring your inner peace, why you lost in the whole world. So it's time to change yourself to practice the meditation. Go to the depth on your heart, on your mind, and feel the spirit, feel the peace that always calling you. If you meditate every morning, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Yogi Maya from Journey of Yogi Maya YouTube channel. I am a meditation instructor and also a Reiki master. Today I am sharing with you a very interesting video. I know you all are practicing the many breathing exercise that I share with you. How do you know? Meditation is a great way to deal with stress. Today's life is very tough for all. Every day we working whole day long. We spend our whole time with our workplace. For that reason, we feel stress. We feel tired. We have no time to spend with our mind, with our inner side, because we just running for our life development, but we don't help us to spend at least 1 hour every day for our own development, inner development. And for that reason we are suffering from many types of psychological, physical disease. How do you know? In our life, almost 75% disease create from the mind problem. Mind is a mysterious thing, and we are suffering almost every time for our mind problem. So can you feel that we really do something for our mind? Because when we heal our mind, then no disease create in our body. Scientists say that heart problem, kidney problem, lungs problem can heal by practicing meditation. If you meditate every day at least 10 to 15 minutes at 2 times, you can cure every disease. So we must practice meditation. We must take some time, spend some time for our own inner development. For that reason, today I am sharing with you why we should practice meditation. Every day in the early morning when you woke up, you can meditate at least 15 minutes. You should take a good ventilated place and a peaceful place, and you can sit on a mat or on a cushion, but you must straight your spine and take some breathe out, practice some breathing exercise. Then At the end of some breathing exercise, some yoga or any other exercise, you should practice meditation. If you meditate every day, you feel a mindful mind. You can create many things. You can discover many things. Scientists say that if you meditate every day, there are no disease can touch you. There are no heart problem. There are no psychological problem. There are no physical problem. So we really spend at least 15 minutes every day for our inner peace, for our mindful meditation. Why you are not think about your mind, about your inner peace? You all are working for your own development, life's development, but you don't develop your mind. In the long run, you can feel that it's not really good. Why you are ignoring your mind? Why you are ignoring your inner peace? Why you lost in the whole world? So it's time to change yourself. Change yourself to practice the meditation. Go to the depth on your heart, on your mind, and feel the spirit, feel the peace that always calling you. If you meditate every morning, every day, you can spend with happiness. I really think that everyone must be practice meditation every day, because if you want to successful, if you want to calm your mind, if you want to set a real goal in your life, you must meditate every day. If you want to get a good result in your examination, in your workplace, if you want a great job in your life, you should meditate, because when you meditate, the positive energy and many others great energy is coming to your mind, and it's help to successful in your life. It's help every person. Everyone can practice this meditation, and it's really helpful, and it's really easy. Just sit on a peaceful place there where is well ventilated. Straight your spine. Sit on a mat and close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. In this way, you go to your mind, and you create a great imagination about your life, about your any wish. Of course, positive thinking, positive wish. You create and feel that it's really happening in your life. Every day you practice, you can get a good result. Practice the meditation. Everyone, try to feel your inner peace. Try to feel your inner world. You can connect with your soul or with your spirit. Why you are spending your whole time, your world time in many others' work? It's help you very much. Really, you believe my word. If you meditate every day, if you meditate every morning you can feel you can reach in a great goal you can reach. So today I wish that you all are understand the basic thing today's video, and you all are practice meditation, you all practice some breathing exercise, some yoga, and get a good healthy life, healthy mind, mindful mind. So today I am going